Did you get your free language gifts of the month yet? Download them now before they expire in the next few days. First, 30+ words and phrases for April Fool's Day. This PDF will teach you how to say, "That's not funny," "I don't get it," and much more just in time for April Fool's Day. Second, Being Funny, PDF Conversation Cheat Sheet. This next PDF teaches you a quick conversation about telling jokes in your target language. Third, Talking about months. If you can't say the months, this 1-minute lesson will teach you how to say them all in your target language. Fourth, 15 flattering lines to impress native speakers. If you want to speak with natives, you'll want to know these phrases. And fifth, want an app that gets you speaking from day one? The innovative language learning app gives you bite-sized conversation lessons, where you listen to conversations between real native speakers and then get everything explained so you can speak and understand fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire.